Hello from FTE Dublin, where we're delighted to have just witnessed the launch of an exciting new initiative named Boost. I'm happy to be joined here by Wopke Doost, Programme Management Lead Unlimited, Dennis Van Cleef, Programme Lead Baggage Royal Schiphol Group, Idar Sorgjerd, Department Manager BHS Tech and Op Excellence at Avinor, and Dong Min Lim, Senior Manager BHS Engineering and Renovation, Incheon International Airport Corporation. So Wopke, to begin, you've just officially launched the Boost initiative here in Dublin. Can you begin by introducing the objectives and the initiative's goal of fostering innovation and collaboration in the industry?
Sure, thank you, Ross. So what we're going to do is actually share all the insights that different airports have on the POCs they're implementing. And so share the insights on that, but also share the test environments and also share the perspectives they have on each other's POCs with each other in order to really accelerate innovation, to speed up everything we're doing and to assess the technologies together so that we can help drive the industry taking innovation to the next level.
Okay, and Dennis, moving on to you, could you share a little about the inspiration behind Boost and also the role that FTE and the Baggage Innovation Working Group had in that?
Absolutely, thank you, Ross. So my personal inspiration really is creating a better future for my children, for the people around us. And I see that in order to get there, to create better work environments, to create solutions that also help passenger process, etc., we need to start working together, right? One of the things we saw was absolutely missing is collaboration between airports, specifically on baggage innovation. And we were at a FTE-hosted Baggage Innovation Working Group where we had some pitches from robotics companies. And they were having this clear need for information, this clear need of, we need your help in order to get to the right products. And that really, for me, sparked the moment where I stepped up and I said, well, then we need to start doing that. We need to start providing that information. We need to start collecting ourselves, work together, and really approach the market in such a way that we're actually going to accelerate development, accelerate impact. And now we're here today.
Fantastic. And Idar, moving on to you, we of course have 3 fantastic airport companies involved in the Boost initiative. Could you share a little about why Avinor has decided to be involved and also the technical challenge that you're working on?
Yes, so in Avinor we operate 44 airports. Biggest one in Oslo and smallest one is severely much smaller. All of these airports has to be staffed and they all carry the baggage handling system, they all have handlers, all the different processes is very demanding. So from our side the motivation is of course to see how can we find solutions which takes down this need of manpower, reducing cost, making things more efficient, improving the health and safety in all these different parts. So to get there of course we need to communicate with the market. Our channel has been of course now in this Baggage Innovation Group where there's a huge lot of suppliers now present, there's airports, airlines present, and all these mingle together. We talk about the same different challenges we have, and somehow we match them together, and we find these small bits and pieces which actually match my needs of Schiphol and also for Incheon, and these gives us the motivation then to drive on.
Excellent. And Dong Min, moving along to you, could you share a little about Incheon's objectives with the initiative and the technical challenge you're similarly working?
Yeah, like these gentlemen, same reason, and Incheon Airport needs to adapt new innovation to overcome the hinders and constraints to develop our airport operation. To participate this Boost program will bring us to an excellent opportunity to quickly share the knowledge and approaches so that we can adapt like a future technologies easily and efficiently. So we have made a decision that we participate this program. This program will be helpful for not only for us but also for any other airports around the world. We definitely sure this program will help us to bring moving us forward, in the future.
Fantastic. And Dennis, coming back to you, could you share a little more about the technical challenge and POC that Schiphol is working on?
Yes, definitely. We will be focusing on automated loading It's been an area we've been active in for a while already. And we bring two different solutions to the table not to see which is best compared to each other, but to really see which is best fitting for which type of situation. So we have a collaborative robotics solution, and we have a more industrial robotized loading solution. There's advantages to both, there's disadvantages to both. We're just going to keep comparing them and see how they can be ultimately implemented at scale, and what we need to learn from that to get to that point.
Excellent. And Wopke, finally coming back to you, now that we've had the initial launch here in Dublin, what are your ultimate objectives and ambitions for the Boost initiative?
Yeah, so we hope for this to only be the start, right? So we share the insights now together, but in the end our aim is to let all different parties also collaborate within this, whether that's airports or airlines, and even the different suppliers or vendors in a different way as they participate in the different POCs. So in the end we hope to help the industry drive innovation and move that to the next step. So that's our aim, and we do that by focusing on doing. So that's what we do. We start these POCs right this month, and actually we stop only talking about it and we manage Boost by implementing POCs.
That's fantastic, and it's great to have the initiative officially launched here in Dublin, and thank you all for your time and sharing your thoughts with our audience.
Thank you.
Thank you.